Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is for CNBC's Trading Nation. Traders, we're going to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil seems to be in full-on recovery mode. I see crude oil moving potentially into the 70s, maybe even the 80s in 2018. So first, let's take a look at the macroeconomic reasons why crude oil could continue higher. So first thing that we see here is crude oil on the monthly in white and the US dollar in green. Now, traditionally, these two enjoy an inverse relationship. And to show that, let me take the dollar, flip it upside down, and you'll see that we actually, it's a little easier to compare this way. You can see that obviously the two are trading very well together. It's my belief that we are starting to see signs of inflation. Now, normally that would equate the Fed to starting to tighten up monetary policy to control the inflation, but that's probably not going to happen because the Fed has been really aching to get any signs of inflation above that 2% level for some time. So probably not going to step in the way of that anytime soon. So the Fed's not going to raise rates. That's not going to provide the boost that the dollar would need to continue to rally. So if the dollar continues to stay quiet to slightly weak, crude oil should continue on up. Now, as we focus in on the crude oil chart here, we can see that we've been in a very nice contained downtrend here, down around the 26 level, which I was able to identify through use of fib on CNBC. We've continued to rally up. We have a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern here on crude. So we have a left shoulder, we have a head, and we have a right shoulder. And now we've come back, we've begun to break what they call the shoulder line, and we should begin to move on up, potentially reaching the 80 level. So what I'd like to do is just be long crude oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to March of 2018. I'm going to buy a long-term call. It's going to be the 11 call in the USO. This is the ETF that tracks crude oil. We're going to pay a simple dollar, so it's $100 per option contract you want to buy. I'm going to go ahead and just buy that option contract and let that trade work. I'm going to put that traditional 50% give back rule that we use here in Trading Nation. So if the $1 premium we just outlaid gets cut in half down to about 50 cents, obviously the trade's not working, and let's cut it and move on. Otherwise, I want to be long crude through the end of 17 into Q1 of 2018. For CNBC's Trading Nation, I'm Todd Gordon. Good luck in that crude oil trade. Be sure to follow us at Trading Nation on Twitter for updates to all the positions and markets our traders are watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video update.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.